welcome to our lipstick. So today I am doing a part of a two-part video that I'm doing about ThredUp. And this is not a sponsored video. They don't know I'm making this. They're not paying me for this. I was actually recently doing a closet declutter, and when I do that, I almost always send a ton of my items to ThredUp because you can get money back for stuff that you've gently worn or haven't worn at all, stuff like that. My more well-loved used items that ThredUp doesn't usually take, I do donate, so just letting you know that. But I did my declutter, so I wanted to show you guys some of the stuff that I send to ThredUp, and then I also recently placed an order with ThredUp, so I'm going to be doing a try-on haul and showing you guys the stuff that I found and how much money I saved. So this is the first part of the video where I'm going to be showing you what I'm getting rid of. A lot of this stuff in here is a mix of my items and my son's items. So things mainly that he never wore when he was a baby because he had so many clothes. Some things are gently used. I will link some of my other ThredUp videos in case you don't have any idea what I'm talking about. I go on a long spiel about it in one of my old ThredUp videos, so I really explain like what the website and stuff is. So I will link you to those. Otherwise, the website is down at the info box if you want to click down there. I also have a coupon code. I don't get commission from the coupon code. It's not any affiliate code. But if you use it and do buy something, I do get, I think, $10 to spend on the website. So that's up to you. You could use it or don't. But it is down there in the info box. I'm really sorry if I do sound sick. It is because I am. My son got sick and then I did. And yeah, so I'm just trying to work through it. But anyways, let's get into the bag. So this is what the ThredUp bags look like. They're really big, but I generally fill them up to the top. Like I could use another bag. If they would send me two, that'd be great. I have a massive closet with way too many clothes, and I like to go through it about every 6 months and get rid of the stuff that I haven't worn for over a year. So yeah, but most of this is baby stuff. It's barely any of my stuff. So right on the top here, I have two things, maternity things from when I was pregnant, obviously. So I've got some maternity pants. I've got a pair of black maternity leggings and a pair of maternity jeans. These are both from Target, I believe. And we are not planning on having another baby. It was hard enough for us to get pregnant with our first. So if we did get pregnant, I'm sure it would take a while. And we're not really like planning on it, so if it did happen, great, but I'll just buy new stuff if and when the time comes. So in the meantime, I'm not gonna hold on to these. We're gonna send them to ThredUp. And that is what I do like about ThredUp too, is that when I was pregnant, I did shop on there a lot to see if they had like good maternity things for sale. I did get a dress for my I got a dress for my baby shower there, and I also got some maternity dress pants from there for way cheaper. So maternity clothes are expensive, so I was super excited about that. Now anything that ThredUp doesn't accept and that you put in the bag, you can either have the bag returned to you or they will donate those items to a charity. So sometimes I just throw items in here that I know that they won't take because I know that they donate them. And one of those things actually is a maternity bra. And it does have the tags on it still. This is one I didn't wear. So I wasn't sure if they would take this, and if they didn't, they can donate it. So I did just toss this in there anyway. I also have a couple of scarves that I never wear. I've had these hanging in my closet, and I'm just like, oh, I can't get rid of these. I never use them. So this is one of those like faux Burberry scarves. I wish it was real, but it's not. And then this is an infinity scarf. I wore this a couple of times, but it's been years. You can see me in a YouTube video that I made with this scarf on, and that's probably the last time I wore it, and that was about 3 years ago. So, time to go. I also have a couple of belts that I'm going to be getting rid of because I just don't wear these either. I've never worn this one, this white one here. It's still got the tags on it. It's just one of those like chunky accent fashion belts. And then I also have this one. This one I wore quite a bit, but it does still have the tag on it on the inside, which is kind of funny. But my style has really changed over the years, so I don't tend to wear that kind of stuff anymore. I used to love those kind of belts though. I also have a winter hat, which I love, but for some reason the shape of it, like when I put it on my head, it stays in this like weird shape right here. ThredUp now also takes jewelry, and they have been for a little while, so I do have a few pieces that I'm giving away. I have 2 watches. This first one is one from New York & Company, I believe. Just like a green blue beaded watch. It's really pretty. Again, not so much my style. Then I have this watch, which actually I really like. It's kind of like vintagey looking, but I just don't ever wear watches. I don't wear bracelets either, so I don't know. May as well just get rid of them. Oh, I love these so much, but they just fall off my fingers. These are those like rings that go about halfway down your finger like that, but they always just fall off on me. I think they look super cute, but I just can't get them to work for me. So I'm gonna get rid of these. I'm pretty sure I got these from Gordman's before they closed. I have a few pendants that I'm giving away. I have this silver one here. It's just a plain silver pendant. I also have this one here, which is actually from Macy's. And it's their like red, white, and blue little star. They still have these pendants, I think, in like the heart shape and stuff. I was so excited about these when they first came out, and like I wore it like maybe once or twice. I also have this little pendant here, which I believe is a Leo Sophia pendant when they were like really popular. And another little pendant with a, it's like a flower with a little blue stone in it. And everything else I have here are rings. So I've got this accent ring here, which is a huge Aldo ring here. I really like this a lot, and I'm kind of afraid to give it away because I'm worried that I'm going to want it back, but I just don't wear it. This is another ring I never wear. I don't actually ever wear like yellow gold, so I'm giving that away. That's another like Leo Sophia ring, I think. So is this one matches the pendant. I also have this ring here, which is really pretty. It's like a faux opal with a faux cubic zirconia stone in it. I've got another Macy's item. This is a statement ring that I got from Macy's. I've got this ring here, which is like a faux cocktail ring that I got. It's again gold, otherwise I would keep it. But I got this from eBay, I think, like years ago. I've got this little tiny fake diamond ring here. I've also got a fake little ruby ring. I'm giving away a lot of these because I have a lot of actual real gemstone rings that I would rather wear than the fake ones, so I'm getting rid of those. Another little Leo Sophia ring here. A whole bunch of like fake gemstones. I don't think I've ever worn this. And then the rest of the items in the bag are all baby stuff, so I'm going to show you those. So he's got an absolutely massive bunch of hats in here that he never wore. This one is a set of 3 here that's still got the tags on them. He never wore these because he actually has a really tiny head, and I have a little head too, and I think my husband said he does too, so it obviously runs in the family. But like these caps never really fit his head well, so we didn't end up using them. So I'm gonna give those to ThredUp. We also have a bunch of other cute ones. This little Halloween one. Got a little puppy dog one. Got this little one that actually goes with an outfit in here. Goes with this outfit here. It's like a cute little onesie thing, and it's kind of padded. It's really nice and warm. It's got a dinosaur on it. He wore that once and it was just too small for him. He kept like popping the buttons on the bottom. And then he's also got one of these baseball hats, and then just a plain brown one, which I think actually came off of this set. It was one of the ones that we tried on him and it didn't fit, so yeah. Alright, so we also have a little coat in here, which is a cute little fleece thing with a moose on it. He only wore this once because he had a little vest that I liked a lot more, so I put him in the vest instead of this one. But this has still got a lot of life in it. It's from Carter's, so I'm going to send it to ThredUp. You've got some little track pants here, which are just adorable. He's got these pants here that I bought from Carter's, and they are really thick shorts, and he was born in June, so it was really hot in the summer, and I didn't think that these would be so like thick and heavy, so he never actually even wore these. He's also got these shorts, which he never wore, which are little camel shorts. They came with a turtle shirt, and he's worn the turtle shirt, but just not the shorts. We've got a pair of gray fleece pants and these adorable dinosaur pants. I'm not sure if there's a shirt that goes with this because I can't find one, I guess. Maybe? I don't know. I can't remember half the stuff because we got so many clothes for him, I can't even remember. Now this set, I'm really sad to give away, but he only wore it for like half a day, and I would like it to go to a parent who's gonna love it as much as I loved it when I got it. This was actually a gift from my cousin, and I think it's so freaking cute, but I don't want it to just sit in like a storage box forever, so I'm gonna send it to ThredUp. It's this cute little outfit. It's got a little denim shirt, and then it comes with these like bright orangey coral pants with puppies on it. So cute. But yeah, he wore it for like half a day, and then he was so fussy because he was kind of uncomfortable because he's a weird shaped boy. He's like his mama. He's got long legs and a short torso, so certain things just don't fit quite right. I've got another pair of fleece pants. These are just some brown ones. I have got these jammies, which he wore once. They are University of Awesome jammies. They don't have feet, and that's the issue that I had with these. I preferred the stuff that had feet because we live in a really cold state. And putting socks on him with jammies just doesn't work for him. He just pulls them right off. We have two of these, which were actually gifts from a friend, and he didn't ever wear this one. He wasn't a fan of the material. And this one's a little bit softer, but he only wore it once, so it's got quite a bit of life left in it. And all we have left here are onesies, so I'm going to show them to you real quick. He's got this striped one, this one with a little card on it. All of this stuff has only been worn like once or not at all. This little tie one, little rocker. He's got a whole bunch of these long sleeved ones that he never wore. These are newborn size. It was just too hot for long sleeves. Some more stripes. This adorable little romper outfit, which's got little animals all over it. It's so cute. A whole bunch of these stripy ones. He's got this little set, which he never wore, which comes with that one and this shirt. He's got a whole bunch of these dinosaur ones, which he didn't wear either. I kept the ones he did wear, but he didn't wear the yellow one. We've got more of those long sleeves he never wore in a whole bunch of different colors. They all came as like a set of 5, I think. He's got a little dinosaur t-shirt. Just some plain onesies in blue and gray. Handsome little guy. This is another dinosaur one he didn't wear. A little football one. Little Mr. Fix-It. This comes with quite a few of them. He's got this one too with the hammers on it, and this one with the little trucks on it. Those are a set. He's got some duck ones. And another duck one. Got another duck one. More dinosaurs. Baseball. This one that says baby. This one. Some stripy ones. And a Brewers one because we are in Wisconsin. And then plain orange one. This one that actually goes with that other set there. And then this brown one. So these are all only worn once or never worn at all. So I'm going to send them into ThredUp and hopefully get some money back so we can buy him some bigger clothes. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and seeing the kind of stuff that I send to ThredUp. Stay tuned for part 2 where I'll be showing you the kind of stuff that I purchased from ThredUp and the wonderful savings I had this last trip, which is really exciting. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and have a great day.